Welcome to Laundromat News. Today, I am your anchor. I can't get it. I'm a reporter. I don't know what I am. I'm Jordan Berry with Laundromat Resource and News. And this is your news in laundromats around the world, around the country, all over the place. We're going to start off in our own backyard here. And I want to talk to you about Terns. Terns is a software that helps laundromat owners operate their pickup and delivery and drop off laundry services around the world. And congratulations to Terns. They just rolled out a new feature that allows subscriptions for your customers. So the subscription model is one that some owners have tried. Some love them, some hate them. If you're somebody who loves it or somebody who wants to give it a try, Terns is now offering subscriptions for your laundromat customers to help you serve your customers better. So check out Terns if you're interested in that service. All right. OpenPR has a study. I've not yet gotten my hands on it. However, hopefully I'll have it maybe by next week. But they developed a report that basically says, hey, laundry facilities and dry cleaning are both about to have a big boom. And I tend to agree with that based solely off of what I hear and not at all any scientific research whatsoever, like theirs is based on. And I see that now is a great time to be getting into this industry. I've said that before. I'll say it again. There's a lot of opportunity right now. Yes, there's more demand than ever, but there's also more opportunity than ever in this industry. So check out OpenPR's report on the laundromat industry. And if I get that report by the next news episode, I'll share some of the findings from that as well. We've got to go international. And to get a little international, I always struggle to find the international stories, but I got one for you. In Singapore, a stray cat ended up in a dryer with somebody's laundry. And listen, I just want to put your minds at ease right now. The cat did survive the dry cycle. So that is the great news. Lesson to take away here. We have yet another sign to add to our laundromats. Make sure you check your dryers for stray cats before you start your dry load. But in all seriousness, the cat survived. Everything's good. And that's what's happening around the world in laundries. If you're somebody who's international and you've got some laundry news, hit me up at news@laundromatresource.com. I would love to get some news in there. International that's not just about cats and dryers, but if we're cats and dryers internationally, at least we're roping it in over there. I do want to make a correction. Shout out to Lawrence Cohen for correcting a report from last week's episode. I think I said Las Vegas, Nevada, but it in fact was Las Vegas, New Mexico that's having the water shortage. So thank you for that correction, Lawrence. And some sad news. The iconic wash tub laundromat is beginning demolition after a fire earlier in the year. You may have seen it on iconic shows such as Breaking Bad and Better Call Saul. Not really the best look for our industry in terms of money laundering. However, it is iconic. It is sad what happened to that laundromat. And the owner, Hunter, is hoping to rebuild and hopefully better than ever. So best of luck to you guys in rebuilding over there, and sorry to see that laundromat being demolished there. Lastly, I guess this is more relevant international news, but Alliance Laundry is investing $4.5 million in order to expand their operations over there in Thailand. So they are bringing it international over there and making some investment in Southeast Asia over there. And I'm assuming, in fact, I know that that will help impact some people who maybe are in Australia and New Zealand down in that neck of the woods, as well as Southeast Asia over there, as training will be closer. Hopefully parts and machines will be closer. And so hopefully it'll benefit Southeast Asia and our fellow laundry brothers and sisters down under as well. So that is all I have for Laundromat News. If you are a company or an owner and you've got news you want to share on the next, it's not really an episode. What do you call a news show? Our next news show, send me an email, news@laundromatresource.com. I would love to report on news. And listen, this is a great opportunity. If you're a company and you've got a new product launch or a new merge or whatever, to share that with a large audience of very focused people. But also, if you're a laundromat owner and you're trying something new, you're making an acquisition, you need something to celebrate, you need to celebrate with us, anything like that. I mean, listen, this is news big and small, and I want to bring relevant information about our industry and what's going on here to you. So send me an email, news@laundromatresource.com. You've got nothing to lose, so send me the news. Maybe that's my new catchphrase. You've got nothing to lose, so send me the news. Signing off for Laundromat News today, Jordan Berry.